Okay, I'll just show you how to pair your mobile with the Bluetooth audio system in this VW Touareg. First of all, we make sure that Bluetooth is switched on. Then I usually just wait a minute just to see if the phone automatically picks the phone in the car, the system in the car up. It's just looking for it there. But I am very impatient, so, oh, there we go, hands-free. Yep, it's changed to VW phone. So on to VW phone. Asking for a PIN number. I'll go with 1234. 1234. This is just a guess. I may have to consult the handbook. PIN entry required. Connect. 1, 2, 3, 4. OK. Do you want to allow your contacts and favourites sync? I don't, because I won't be using the car again unless it's on my Range Rover, but you will, so you would allow it, but I'm not going to there. So connection to Barry's iPhone 10 successful. That's it.